सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधलावतं सतं विलासि लोकरक्षकम्।
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to start the subject Management Accounting, Bcom 5th Sem. In this Management Accounting I am going to start the unit Cash Flow Statement. What is meant by Cash Flow Statement? Cash Flow Statement is a statement of outflow and inflow of the organization. That means what and all inflow and out in internal organization and external organization, what and all through cash they are dealing, that is called as a cash flow statement. Cash flow statement. In this cash flow statement, there are three classifications. Number one, operating activities, investing activities and financial activities. Classification of cash flow. First one is operating activities, investing activities, finally financial activities. In this operating activities in the organization, what and all operating activities have happened in the organization, that means what and all income and what and all expenses happening in the organization, that is considered as the operating activities. Second one is investing activities. What in this organization, what and all we are investing for the business, for example purchases, all those things we consider as investing activities. Financial activities, we have to make a capital or any other purchases or sales, what and all we investing, giving some financial oriented, that is called as financial activities. That means financial activities means what and all capital and what and all borrowings, investing in the organization, that is called as financial activities. What and all capital and borrowing from the for the enterprises, that is considered as the financial activities. Now we have directly go to the problem of operating activities. 5-mark problem they will ask in semester exams. Now I am going to discuss the problems in operating activities. I will read the problem. Now I will start the problem. First I will read the problem. Listen. Find out the cash from operations. They given some information, particulars 2018 January, 2018 December. Profit and loss account 2,20,000 in January 2018, December 4 lakh. Debtors 80,000, here 1 lakh. Bills receivable 20,000, 16,000. Creditors 60,000, 80,000. Outstanding salary 12,000, 8,000. Goodwill 1 lakh, 90,000. Depreciation 1 lakh 40,000, 1 lakh 60,000. Prepaid expenses 20,000, 30,000. Now directly start the problem. What is the format of this problem? Same what we did in the fund flow statement, same we have to do in the cash flow statement. First we have to write the closing balance of profit and loss account, and we have to add the expenses. In this one additional information, what means what in current asset, when there is current asset increase, we have to consider that as a income. Current liability asset is decreased, we have to consider that as expenses. Current liability we considered, when the current liability is increased, we considered as expenses. When the current liability is decreased, that is considered as a income. We have to follow this rule. After that, you will start the problem. Okay? Yes. I will write in this here. It is helpful for you. When current asset increase, consider as a income. Yes? When current liability, current asset decrease, consider as expenses. Expenses. It is a key for you. Okay? When current liability increase, we consider that as the expenses. When current liability decrease, we consider as income. Obviously, in the organization, when the current asset is increased, that is income for us. At the same time, when the current asset is decreased, it is expenses for us. At the same, when the current liability is increased, that is expenses for us. When the liability will increase, what will happen? We have to occur the expenses. When the current liability is decreased, the incomes are earning. Incomes are growing. That is called as the incomes are growing. These four, with the help of these four, you start your problem. So, first, what is the calculation? Heading is calculation of cash flow operation. This is the heading. The next one is column particulars. Inner column, outer column. First, what they given? In your problem, what they given? First one is profit and loss account. 4 lakhs is the December. So first, closing balance of profit and loss account. How much? So opening is the January 18 is the opening. December 18 is the closing. First we have to enter closing. 4 lakhs. Big one. 4 lakhs. Next one is add expenses. Add expenses. Expenses means what? First one, what they given? Data. Data is a current asset. You have to current asset. What happened here? Increase. So current asset increase means what? Income. So here we have to less the income. So data, write it here. What happened? Data increase. So you have to write increase current asset, data's amount 1 lakh minus 80,000. What is the amount? Outer column, inner column, you have to write the excess amount, difference amount. Sorry, difference amount. Bills receivable. Bills receivable is called as the current asset. What happened here? 20,000, 16,000. What happened here? Current asset is decreased. So current asset is decreased means expenses column. Current asset is decreased. So decrease current asset. Bills receivable. How much? 20,000 minus 16,000. Inner column 4,000. Next entry is creditors. Creditors is a current liability. What happened here? Creditors 60,000, 80,000. So current liability is increased. It is called as an expense. So you have to enter in the expenses column. Increase current liability. What that? Creditors. How much? 80,000 minus 60,000, 20,000. Again, inner column. Next entry is outstanding salary. So, outstanding salary is the current liability. What happened here? 12,000, 8,000 decrease. So, income, you have to enter in the income column. Decrease current liability. Decrease current liability, outstanding salary. How much? 12,000 minus 8,000. 4,000 inner column. So next entry is goodwill. Goodwill considered as a expenses. So you have to write in expenses column. Goodwill. How much? 1,90,000. So difference is 10,000. The next one is depreciation. Depreciation also we considered as a expenses. Depreciation. How much? 1,40,000, 1,60,000. The difference is 20,000. You have to enter in inner column only. Yes. The next one is prepaid expenses. Prepaid means what? It's an advance. Advance is considered as the current asset. What happened here? 20,000 to 30,000. Current asset is increased. You have to enter in the income column. So, increase current asset. Prepaid expenses. Prepaid expenses. How much? 10,000 difference. 13,000 minus 20,000. 10,000 is different. So we entered all the entries. Now you start to tally everything. So we add all those things. 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, 54,000. 54,000. You have to enter it here. So 54,000. These two you have to add it. 4,54,000. The next one, all incomes you have to add. 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 4, 34. 34. You have to less it in this 0, 0, 0, 0 to 4. So 4,20,000 is called as the cash flow operations. So what is the difference from the cash flow operation and fund flow operation? Nothing is different. In this you have to write expenses. In this current asset and current liability also. In fund flow operation they won't give any assets and liability. But in this cash flow, they gave the current liability and current asset information. In this, you have to find out which one is increased, which one is decreased, which one comes under income column, which one comes under expenses column. You have to enter it and you have to complete this problem. This is a 5-mark compulsory question in your question paper. This route will helpful for you. Please note this. Thank you. I like to discuss one more problem in cash flow operation. I will read. Listen. From the following information, calculate cash from operations. Particulars 2015-2016. Profit and loss account 15,000, 68,000. Sundry debtors 30,000, 34,000. Bills receivable 26,000, 21,000. Stock 34,000, 50,000. Creditors 17,000, 20,000. Bills payable 3,000, 10,000. Additional information, goodwill written off during the year rupees 8,000. Depreciation charge on the asset rupees 10,000. So now we start the problem. Calculation of cash from operation. First one is column is particulars rupees. First we have to write all the time closing balance of profit and class account. How much? 68,000. Enter in the outer column. The next one, add all expenses. All expenses as well as when the current asset is increased, you have to enter in the income column. When the current asset is decreased, enter in the expenses column. When the current liability is increased, expenses column. When the current liability is decreased, income column. Depending upon these four rules, you have to enter in the program. First entry, read. Sundry debtors. It is a current asset. What happened? Increase. So current asset is increased. Income column. You have to enter in the income column. First one is what happened here? Increase. Current asset. Debtors. How much? 34,000 minus 30,000. So 4,000 inner column. The next one is bills receivable. That is also current asset. 26,000, 21,000. It is decrease. Decrease means expenses. Expenses have to write it here. Decrease. Current asset. How much? 26,000 minus 21,000. So 5,000 you have to enter it. Inner. Yes. Next one is stock. Stock that is also considered as a current asset. Yes. What we paid? 34,000, 50,000. Increase. Increase means income. Increase. Current asset. Stock. How much? 50,000 minus 34,000. 50,000 minus 34,000. That is 60,000. Enter it here. The next one is creditors. Creditors is a current liability. Creditors, current liability. What happened? 17,000, 20,000. So it's increased. Current asset is increased. Expenses. Increased. Current liability. How much? There is creditors. Credit 17,000, 20,000. 20,000 minus 17,000, 3,000. So this is what? Creditors. You have to enter that particular items also. Yes. The next one is bills payable. Bills payable is a current liability. What happened here? 3,000, 10,000 increase. Current liabilities increase. Again it is expenses. Increase. Current liability. How much? Bills payable. How much? 10,000 minus 3,000. 7,000. Next one is additional information. Goodwill. All the times goodwill depreciation we have to enter in the expenses. So goodwill. How much goodwill? 8,000. Depreciation how much? 10,000. So you should calculate. You have to enter here. So 10,000, 18,000, 18,000 plus 7,000, 25,000. 25,000 plus 3,000, 28,000. 28,000 plus 5,000, 53,000. You add it and enter it here. So 0, 0, 0. 8 plus 3, 11. 1. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 lakh. 1,000. Now we have to lessen all those things. So what happened here? Here is 20,000. So calculate it. How much? 0, 0, 0. 9 here 1. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, here 1, here 8. So 81,000. 81,000. Yes, every entry is completed. You don't forget to write the opening balance of profit and loss account in income column. Opening balance of profit and loss account. How much? 15,000. How much? 15,000. Now we have to add all those things. We have to enter it here. So 5,000 plus 3,000, 8,000, 8,000 plus 7,000, 15,000, 15,000 plus 8,000, 23,000 plus 10,000, 33,000. You add it here. These two you have added here. Now 0, 0, 0, 8 plus 3, 11, 1, 1, 10. So 1 lakh, 1,000. Now we have to put all those things here and put it here. 20,000. 20,000 plus 15,000, 35,000. 35,000. These we have to less it. 0, 0, 0. You borrow it in this. Yes. 6. Again 6. So 66,000 we call as a cash flow operations. Cash flow operations. Yes. Okay. I hope you understood these two problems. I think there is no doubt. If there is any doubt, you just ask me. Thank you.